Suno's brand new split from mix feature is so much better than extracting stems. Now you can extract any instrument you want. I'm going to show you how to do it. Thumb up this video if you like it and subscribe to my channel because I coach people on creating AI music. Let's get into the tutorial. So you pick any song that you want, and then on the right side, you are going to click this, the 3-dot menu, and then download and get stems. Now this is under the get stems menu, but Suno has improved this tab right here, split from mix. Now, which is really cool is you can actually perform anything you want and remove that stem when Suno adds it. Okay, so at this point, you have the lead vocal, which I've already added, but if I want to just add drums, maybe I want to give this to a real drummer. So I have some element of non-AI in there too. So you can actually get your verification on Spotify. That's really important. So you can basically go through here, look at whatever you want, whatever instrument is in your sound, you can just click on it. So let's say I want to get rid of piano, or like I said, drums. That's it, everything but piano, and it's just a listing here. This is the badge. And at that point, you're just gonna hit extract, and you're gonna wait. Now, I want you to know the number of credits that this takes up. You can see it's generating. This takes up 5 credits per extraction of the video. Now, what you could do is, when you're done with this, you can even extract more. Now, on top of this, so you're getting 2 different extractions, and that would be 10 credits, just to let you know. Now, when it's done, you can actually example it, and you can download the track itself if you don't want to download everything, or you can just hit download here, and it's going to give you either an MP3 or a WAV. You can get both. And if this is with the Pro plan, by the way, if you want to get WAV, and hit download, and then you're done. That's it.